Hi, my honeys. I'm as excited as always to be here with you again. Welcome. If this is your first connection, I am just Melissa, and this is Empower Empire, your channel for all things personal power. I am your number one go-to girl for power pointers in all the various realms of your life: personal, partnership, professional, and purpose. It is my express intention to assist in lovingly empowering you, to facilitate more of your healing and release, and to let you know exactly who you are. And in this pursuit, I am your new YouTube bestie, your favorite guide to a more empowered experience that is brilliant, sparkly, and beautiful. And I want nothing less than to share in your rise. Let's explore today's topic. Hi, my honeys. I wanted to chat with you a little on this episode around the concept of life's compensation. I've chatted before, I can't remember in which episode, about the fact that to a lot of us, it can seem as though life is very unfair. And as a Libra, fairness is a crucial and very, very important topic to me. So it's something I've looked at quite a lot in the course of my life. And the fact of the matter is that life is unfair in many ways. But life is unfair to everyone. So in that, life is fair. Because we all have our struggles, our challenges, our traumas, and our triumphs. We all have things we have to process through, grow because of, and develop as human beings due to. And I posit that everyone's particular struggle, everyone's particular challenge, no matter how it may seem to us, is perfect for them. It's perfect for their personal growth. We all have the challenges that we need. So we can't sit in judgment and look at someone else's life and say, oh, but they had it easy compared to me. Because for them, whatever their challenge wasn't easy. It was perfect for them. It wasn't our challenge because it would have been easy for us. We had the traumas and the issues and the struggles that we had because that was what we needed to go through, grow because of, and process. So life is fair in the sense that we all get the growth that we are requiring. But more than that, life is also compensatory. And I think that not enough attention is given to that. What do I mean by that? Well, physicists will tell us that life is always in a perpetual state of balance, and that nature is constantly seeking to maintain that balance, to keep that balance, and when things go out of whack, to restore that balance. That is life's compensation. So in our own lives, particularly if we have suffered from a lot of trauma or from various abuses, the most subtle of which can be something as simple as neglect, which isn't simple at all in terms of the damage that it can wreak. But those of us who have suffered from a lot of these sort of challenges, we can become very focused on the negative aspects of that reality. So in other words, what was missing from our experiences? The experiences we had that we would wish we'd rather not have. The wrong as judged by us and negative things that we experienced. We can be very focused on that and miss all the ways in which life compensates for that and the balance is restored. So let me give you a practical example so that I'm not just talking theoretically. In my own life, I experienced a lot of abandonment issues from male figures. First of all, my biological father completely rejected me. Then I adored my granddad like he was my father, and he passed away when I was 5. And that did cause abandonment trauma in me. First of all, because I was so little, I didn't understand that he had died. And I knew he loved me so much he wouldn't have left me. So I couldn't understand that abandonment. I waited for him for 2 years before I finally realized he had died, and then it was a whole new thing to process. And I also suffered a lot of abuse at the hands of men. So how has life compensated me for that? Well, in my own life, I am blessed to have something extremely rare, and that is a very long-lasting, truly wonderful and happy marriage. My hubby is genuinely my soulmate, and we have been together for 35 happy years. I love him with all of me, and his love is an incredible blessing in my life. And I have to look at life's compensation and think to myself, I wonder, if it wasn't for my experiences of abandonment, of rejection, and of abuse at the hands of men, if life would have been able to bring me this wonderful act of compensation in the man that I'm lucky enough to have loved me. I share this story with you, one of potentially many examples I could give you, in order to encourage you, my honeys, to bring to your awareness the ways in which life may have compensated to you. What areas of your life are truly spectacularly successful? Whether it's your career, your friendships, your financial situation, in what area are you really, really blessed? More so perhaps than others around you. And is that in some way a compensation that life has blessed you with? Because the truth is, we live our lives in so much grace. In all our challenges, in all our difficulties, we find strength, and we are carried, and we are helped. So I just felt I wanted to highlight that a little bit this evening, and get you to think about the ways in which balance has in fact been restored. And perhaps that shift of focus, to focus on what came into your life because of the negative experience, will help you not just to focus on the fact that you had a negative experience to begin with. I think it does help to release the narrative, to let go of the trauma, and to truly be in a space of appreciation and gratitude for everything that is good and wonderful in our lives, because there's always so much. So with that, I give you much love. If you found this video valuable and you enjoyed it, I would really appreciate it if you give it a like. And please, share your impressions and your questions with me in the comments below. I love receiving your feedback. Please also consider becoming a subscriber. It's free, and it helps this channel to grow and to reach more new viewers, so that we can spread this light more and more. Activate the notification bell if you would like to be informed when I post new content. And all of my offerings are always listed in the description box below. I'm constantly working to add to the available menu. As always, embrace this message if it resonates, and be ineffable, my honeys. Much love. Until the next one.